How to verify your email in Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to verify your email in Roblox in just a few simple steps. So first things first, open up a Roblox app and then there, you'll have to go to your settings. For that, tap on more on the bottom and then scroll down, tap on settings, and here you'll find account info. Tap on it, and here, if your email has not been verified, you'll see verify/update email option. Go ahead and tap on it. So once you tap on the verify option, you see that thanks, your verification email has been sent. That means your verification mail has been sent to your email address that is associated with your Roblox. You just have to go to your mail and then type in the code that you received there. And it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.